Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're gonna continue working on part 4 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish the second floor. And as you can see, we added the windows using curtain wall. And we added the walls and we made some closet. And in this video, we're gonna continue working on this. Let's add in the floor. So let's click on floor and then edit type. Let's duplicate this and name it as floor number 1. Press OK. Change the thickness to 200 and change the material. Let's use gypsum wall board. Press OK and then OK. And then now we're on level 2. Let's click on pick lines and then let's click on from the inside. And we're just gonna clean this up, and then after that we will need to turn on the underlay. It's because we need to edit where the location of the balcony is. So for now, let's click finish, don't attach, and then let's go here at the under properties and turn on underlay to level 1. Click apply, and then after that we will need to select the whole floor again so that we could edit the boundary, and then now we could add in the floor. So I'm gonna add this floor up to here, and let's see, or maybe from the inside. So I'm just gonna click this again, delete this, and then now we need to trim, so TR. After that, click finish, don't attach, and then let's look at it at 3D. So now it looks like this. What we could do is we could push this back up like so. So we could align that as well from the top. So AL for that. And then we could add in a curtain wall there and pull it down so that we could have the railing here. And we could actually just pull up this from the height of the railing. So I'm just estimating it right now. And we could do that as is like that. So we don't need to put a railing there. So it will be the look or the design aspect of that. And then here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to level 2 and I'm gonna pull this up to here. I think that's good enough or more than enough for that. And then now we could go back to the underlay and put none for the base. And so far everything is looking good. I'm just double checking the alignment from this wall to this wall. So far it's good, and this one we already checked earlier. Okay, so this one looks good. Now let's add in the floor for the bottom. So level 1, click on floor again, and then let's choose pick line. And for this one, we need to click on from the outside. Okay, so now we just need to close them off like this one. So TR and then trim and extend those. We could edit this type, duplicate. This will be floor 2, and then let's change this to something stone. We could pull that one here and choose this field stone. Press OK and then OK and then click finish. So now we have this, and then we could add in the garage and some grass. So let's determine that now. So go back to level 1. And then here, let's add in another floor. Let's add in the grass first. So edit type, duplicate, floor number 3 would be the grass. So let's look for the grass. After that, press OK and then OK. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add grass from here. I wanted to have on the side as well. So I'm just gonna add it like that and onto the side. And then let's click the outside. Because obviously this is not all grass. And then what I'm gonna do here is I'm actually gonna cut it. So I'm just gonna delete that or extend this. TR. I'm gonna delete this. And I'm just gonna extend this one like that. And then SL, split, and then TR right here. So this one will be not grass, but this one will be all grass. Maybe instead of that, we need to extend it like here. Because I want this one to be all concrete. And then maybe we could just pull this one like that. Or we need more room because we're gonna put in a gate. So let's click finish, and this is all grass now. And then now we need to click on floor again, edit type, duplicate, floor number 4, and this will be concrete. So let's look for concrete. So it's supposed to be up here. Let's do this concrete precast, and then now let's use this pick line. And then after that, TR to trim and extend. And then just click on this and then click finish. We can even extend this and add in the pool if we want to, but rather just stick with this. And then we're gonna add in a wall. So I'm gonna add in an exterior wall. I'm gonna duplicate this, edit type, change this to concrete. So let's masonry. And then let's add in the concrete. I don't want it to be center line, I want it to be face exterior. So like that. And then we're gonna change the gate. And I wanted to show in 3D so that I could pull it down. I don't want it to be too high. So probably around 1500 will be enough. So negative 1500, negative 1500, and then negative 1500 on this one. We might pull it up later on. So far everything looks nice. So next thing I want to do is add the roof. So go to architecture and click on roof. And let's go to level 2. And then after that, edit type, duplicate, roof 1, press OK, edit type, let's make this 200. And let's do this as gypsum. Press OK and then OK again. And then here, actually let's go to level 2 and then we should set it to level 3, base level. So now we could use pick line and from the inside. And then after that, we actually need to uncheck all the slope. So I'm just gonna undo everything. Pick this line and then uncheck this. So don't make my mistake. I forgot to uncheck that. And then once you do, go to the perimeter, the inside of the wall, And then now type in TR to clean it up. And then just double check everything. If everything is done correctly, and then click finish, and let's look at it at 3D. For this one, let's offset this to -200. That's the thickness of the roof, so that it's flat like that. And then click on all of this, so holding on control button, click all the ones that showing at the top, and then once you do, click on this, and then click on the roof, so it will disappear. After that, let's just double check everything. And then here, actually, I'm gonna pull this down, and then I'm gonna add in a small glass curtain wall that I could just change afterwards. So level 2, and then wall, and then change this to curtain wall. Let's add it from the inside, and then right here as well. And then we could just manipulate this. Okay, now go to 3D, and we could just basically do it like that. So now I could use this as an align and make sure that to pull this up as well. So it's good enough for a railing for now. I'm planning to pull this down a little bit. I'm planning to add in some shaders here. So let's start here. I'm gonna pull this down a little bit more. It's like that. AL. And let's do it on all of this. So far so good. We have this, and then we could add in more of the design that we're planning to do. So we're gonna stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching and hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.